Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL F650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair these headphones with your application on your phone. At first, open your app, JBL Headphones app. To check how to install this app, check our channel. Here as you can see we have terms and conditions. To continue using this app, please accept end user license agreement and Harman privacy statement. If we want to read, we have to tap on this end user license agreement and here as you can see, and Harman privacy statement. I will accept as. Here we have to tap allow for nearby devices, allow, and as you can see, my products JBL F650 BTNC. You have to tap on it, and as you can see, voice assistant. Set up your preferred voice assistant with your JBL headphones. I will skip this process, but you can add your preferred assistant. Here as you can see we have noise cancelling, but I will skip that, and as you can see, here is our headphones in our app. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.